Eagle. This is Agent Ford. We're almost there. Let's make it count. This is a surveillance op. We do not want this guy. I repeat, do not let him ID you. He's just the driver. Eagle 1, give me a heads up.
Eagle 1 has target in sight. Target moving east on 3rd. Over.
Roger, Eagle 1.
CP is following. The packages are right there in back. Copy the Black Mustang.
Roger, CP. There's a second one closing in also.
He's made us. Maintain pursuit. Repeat, maintain pursuit. Get the plates on those Mustangs. That driver, he is our only link to the buyer.
Freeze! Don't shoot! ATF! Agent McLaren, ATF!
What the hell's ATF doing on FBI operations?
And you are.
Alan Ford.
You know, I'm sensing a lot of hostility here, Alan. There's no reason to get defensive.
You've got yourself a dead driver and a cute little shipment of guns. But you don't have the seller and you don't have the buyer. All you've done is shown the man we're on to him. ATF. What does that stand for anyway? Alcohol, tobacco, and fuck up.
Definitely a lot of hostility.